Hello, everybody. I'm Konstantinos Tsioris, co-founder and president of OneCyte Biotechnologies. OneCyte is a spin-out from MIT. I'm a former postdoc there. All the founders are affiliated with MIT. More importantly, we are focusing on commercializing an industry-leading single-cell analytics platform for cell line development. I want to contrast to Jim's company. We are focusing on live cells on the protein level, while this other important single-cell company here focuses on the genomic level. Specifically, what we are focusing on is bispecifics. Bispecifics are a very important new type of therapeutic with clinical efficacy similar to cell therapies. While the discovery of bispecifics is fairly advanced, the development is still very challenging. And one of the key challenges here is developing manufacturing cell lines that express the correct heterodimers at a high yield. There are currently solutions for this. However, all these solutions require significant protein engineering of these molecules, which have a high risk then of reducing the function of these proteins. OneCyte single-cell analytics solution really focuses on providing unprecedented speed, scale, and resolution to this problem. And basically what this leads to is industry-leading timelines, yield, and quality of these cell lines that we're getting out of that. Now, how do we do this? OneCyte's platform is based on a picowell system where we load cells into these microfluidic chips, perform our analytics on these cells, can find these high-performance cells that express the right heterodimers, and then can recover these live cells, expand them, and these become then these manufacturing cell lines for bispecifics. Here I want to highlight an example. This was a study done with a partnership with a leading CDMO. At the point, the CDMO was taking for this process about 6 months, and we were able to do this in 6 hours, and getting titers for an antibody that is again on par with what's industry leading here. I want to highlight the time reduction here, going from really months to hours, is absolutely significant. If you think of taking a therapeutic to the clinic or to market, 6 months is the equivalent of about $500 million. If you think about you have a $1 billion per year drug, and being able to get this 6 months earlier to market is an absolute significant impact. What we are looking for is we're starting a pilot program for bispecifics and cell line development, and we're looking for industry partners to work with us on this. We're partnering globally, biotech, biopharma, and other type of companies. So if you're interested, please stop by our table later, and we can continue this discussion. Thank you very much.